In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Honey to Chrome. Honey, also called PayPal Honey, helps you find coupon codes and earn rewards at checkout. I'll show you how to install it in Google Chrome, pin the icon so it's always visible, and optionally sign in to track savings, all in just a few minutes. Open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Chrome Web Store, which is where you add extensions. In the store's search bar, type Honey, Automated Coupons and Rewards, and open the official listing with that name. The store will show search results. Look for the one with the familiar orange honey logo and the exact title so you know you've got the right extension. Click Add to Chrome. A small permission prompt will appear explaining what the extension can access. That's normal for any extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install Honey in a few moments, and you may see a quick confirmation or welcome page when it's done. Installation is quick and free, and you're ready to use it right away. Now make the button easy to reach. In the top right of Chrome, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. A menu of your extensions will open. Find Honey in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Honey logo on your toolbar so you'll always see it while browsing. If you don't pin it, the icon may stay hidden behind the puzzle menu, so this step ensures it's always one click away. When you land on a store's checkout, that icon will be ready to try available coupons. Signing in is optional, but it enables rewards and a running history of what you've saved. To sign in, click the Honey icon on your toolbar and choose to log in with your account or create a new one. Once you're signed in, your rewards and savings are tied to your account, so you can access them whenever you use Chrome on your computer. A couple of quick tips. Only install extensions you trust, since they can read information about the pages you visit. Stick to the official Chrome Web Store and the verified Honey listing. And remember, Honey works with desktop Chrome. It isn't supported in the mobile version of Chrome. That's all there is to it. You opened Chrome, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Honey, automated coupons and rewards, added the extension, pinned it from the extensions menu, and, if you chose, signed in to start earning rewards and tracking savings.